Did you write that? Excuse me. Are you all right, man?
She's fine.
Okay. Just. Do you need
She's
something?
fine.
I'm okay. I'm fine.
Can you get her out of her bubble? She's wearing a mask for a reason. Can you?
If you need anything, just call me, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
She won't.
Give me your mask. Give me your mask. Give me your hoodie. Just give them to me, okay?
Sir, I'm gonna need you to stand up and put your hands behind your back.
First off, don't touch me.
Hey,
Who are you?
I'm a U.S. Air Marshal. Stand up, hands behind your back.
Hold
now.
on, hold on. I didn't do
now.
anything. I
Hands
didn't do
behind your
anything
back.
wrong. Hold on.
All right.
This is.
Calm down.
You snitched on me?